Hey dolls, welcome to my channel where we slay every day with makeup, beauty tips, and all things glam. Whether you're here for tutorials, product reviews, or a little beauty inspo, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's grow up together. So, as you can tell by the title of this video, I will be showing you all how to create the perfect smoky black eyeshadow look. I am absolutely in love with how this turned out, so stay tuned. All products used in this video will be listed in the description box. Starting off, I'm going to conceal under my eyebrows, and also I'm going to conceal my entire lid. I'm using the same concealer I used to conceal my eyebrows, and I'm going to also use a lighter concealer on my eyelids as well. I'm going to take a little bit of that and conceal the end of my eyebrows. Now what you want to do is blend everything out so you can have a seamless base for your eyeshadows. Now I am going to set this base with a translucent powder. This is going to help all of your eyeshadows to blend super smoothly.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high, till I'm in the lights.
For this eyeshadow look, I'm going to be using Juvia's Place Coffee Shop palette. I'm going to be using these two shades as my transition shades. This shade has more of a orange-red undertone to it.
Say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic, you live life on the everyday.
I'm using a fluffy brush to blend out this eyeshadow. As you can see, I'm using tapping motions back and forth.
I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really want to know you off. I really want to show you off. Fuck that. Pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it.
Next, I'm going to be using a darker brown shade right in this crease of my eye. That's where I'm going to focus this eyeshadow. What this is doing is helping to create more depth on your eyelids. I'm going back and forth with those first two shades to make sure everything is smooth and seamless. The key to a great smoky eyeshadow look is to blend, blend, blend. We're going to deepen the crease even more with this dark brown eyeshadow. Now this is mostly focused on the outer corner of my eye, and I'm just dragging it towards the inner. Next, I'm going to be using a black shade from a completely different palette. I'm using the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is their matte black and it's called Noir. To start, I am tapping that black eyeshadow right on top of my lid, and I'm going to do this until I get the coverage that I'm looking for.
I disappeared if you left me. Feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe when he lost his shit. Gotta hold my own, my cross.
I'm going to build up this color even more to make it even more intense.
Way to kill the food. No, you like that shit. Do it, baby. Heavy on my empty mindset.
To blend out the edges of this black eyeshadow, I'm going to use the darkest brown that we used previously. Make sure you are focusing that shade right in the crease of your eye. You do not want to drag your black eyeshadow up. You want to keep it right where it is.
He was holding me to the right, but it will pick up in front of me.
As I mentioned before, the key to executing this eyeshadow look is to blend. So I'm going right back in with that first transition shade that I used. This is how your eyeshadow should look after blending. I applied my lashes off camera. I purchased them at a local beauty store. To finish up this eye, I'm going to use a black eyeliner pencil in my waterline. To smoke this out, I'm going to be using the second transition shade that we used. Then I'm going to use the first transition shade that we used. Using these transition shades will help blend out that black eyeliner and it'll look super seamless. Lastly, to wrap up this eyeshadow look, I'm going to be using a mascara on my bottom lashes.
Don't you know all of these niggas back? I'm just saying, boy, you playing, you gon' let it wind up. You got 24 seconds and it's starting right.
If you're interested in how I did my foundation for this look, please stay tuned for my next upload. Also, thank you so much for watching this video all the way through. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye!